Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody is asking me, a while back I made a video and I used an Aarow like this. Matter of fact, I just did it a few hours ago, and these are really crude. I could straighten this up a little bit, but I did it really fast just for an example. This is really easy to reproduce. And so what we're going to do, we're going to go to our basic shapes or common shapes. I'm going to grab an Aarow. I'm going to kind of make it elongated. I need to turn it into a curve. Now I'm actually going to measure, get the parallel dimension tool. I'm going to measure from that node to that node, and it's 1.64 inches. So I'm going to take my first ellipse and I'm going to put it right with my four-sided cross. I'm going to go right to that node. Now I don't have to remeasure that, and I'm not going to, because this is so easy. I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate, and while holding down the Shift key, it'll grow inwardly. And I'm just going to get it really, really close, and then I'm going to look at it, and I'm almost there. So if I hold down the Shift key, it'll just make it grow. Now, this would have been a lot easier if I would have started in the center of the page, but we can get it close enough. I'm just going to draw a 2-point line, and I'm going to put it like right there on that quadrant. I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete that. So I wasn't good on that first line then, evidently. Nope. So I'm a little bit off. And whenever you do that, there it is right there. Now we can just ballpark that and just move that node down, and then take and delete that line. And you take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and there you go. That's all there's to it. Now I'm going to left click, right click. I'm actually going to rotate it 90 degrees. I want it on the up. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down the Control button, grab this two-sided. I'm actually going to make a copy of that so I can show you how to make both these. Then I'm just going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line. Take my Smart Fill tool that made a new shape, new object, and there's that one. Now in this one, just take it and Control D and mirror it both directions, and then grab that four-sided cross and have it snap to right there. And there's a lot you could do with this. Take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line, and then take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and you've got a line like that. Now, what you could also do with this exact same line is, we could hit P, put it in the center of the page, left click, right click, Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 90 degrees. We could weld this, and now you have a four-sided. And let's see what it looks like to do it 45 degrees. Control D, 90 degrees. Control D. And now look at it. We're going to weld that together, and you have a bunch of arrows going every which way. Anyway, I hope that answered our question, and thank you for watching.